This
was
conference will
handled by
now be
Dr. Vinod
recorded.
Kumar sir. Monte Carlo simulation and its applications. Sir has nicely explained how to perform this Monte Carlo simulation with help of the Excel sheet. Our participants also delighted with its working. Then Sir has shared the PPTs and Excel file also for the clarification to the participants. Third section on the first day was addressed by Dr. Saurav Datta sir on the topic application of multi-attribute decision making in operations management. Sir highlighted the need for multi-attribute decision making in various operations decisions, and he has given the framework and methodology to carry it out with the case studies. On the second day, that is 13th October, the first section was addressed by Dr. Sena Shekhar ma'am, Professor B.A.T. Durg, on the topic application of quality function deployment in quality improvement tool in industry. Madam has stressed the need for quality function deployment to meet the requirement of the customers, and with the case studies of service delivery and selection of automobile bumper by the customers. Those case studies are explained by Dr. Shena Shankar ma'am. Third section, that is the second section on the second day, was addressed by Dr. Ravi Kansar, Associate Professor, Sardar Vallabhai Patel, National Institute of Technology, Surat. Sir addressed on the topic Pythagorean Fuji HP approach and its application to evaluate enablers of sustainable supply chain innovation. Then the third section was addressed by Dr. V. Panduranga, Associate Professor, School of Mechanical Sciences, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. Sir has delivered the concept on genetic algorithm and its applications to all optimization problems. Sir has explained the genetic algorithm and how to use that algorithm in a particular case study, which has given awareness to the participants how this meta heuristic will be useful for solving the optimization problems. The third day, that is 14th October, the first section was started by Dr. Suraj Kumar Mukti sir, Assistant Professor, NIT Raipur. Sir addresses on the topic advances in inventory management. In this section, Sir stresses the need for inventory management, how it is applicable for manufacturing firms, service firms, and what are the recent trends in inventory management concepts. Sir has explained nicely. The second section was handled by Dr. Shivashankar Mahapatra sir, Professor HAG, National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. Sir addressed on the topic application of meta heuristic in selected operation management problems. Sir has explained various meta heuristic techniques and their applications, and he has given the framework also to understand, which has enlightened our participants how to use these meta heuristic techniques to manage the problems in operations management. The last section, that is the third section, was addressed by Dr. Dishit Garg sir, Professor, NIT Kurukshetra. Sir has explained the recent advances in supply chain management. Then on the fourth day, we have extra section, which is mandatory by Atal Academy. That is beauty of inner engineering through yoga and meditation, which was demonstrated by Sri Rajan Nair sir, ERM from the host institution, CSIT Durg. Sir has nicely explained what is the need for yoga and meditation. From that one, how you can energize our channels to make our physical health safely during this pandemic conditions. Sir has explained how to face this corona with help of the yoga and meditation. And in this regard, we have to thank the regional office and Atal Academy to make it mandatory for this FTP program with the particular section on yoga and meditation. In this regard, on the behalf of organizing committee, I am conveying thanks to AICT and Atal Academy and to the regional office and to the assistant director, Dr. handled by Dr. Mahesh sir, Principal, EC College of Engineering, Goa. Sir has explained automation techniques with soft computing techniques. He has explained how we can use the various type of algorithms to solve the automation problems. Then he has given the comparison also, which enlightens our participants to learn how to compare the different solutions with help of different automation techniques. The second section on the fourth day was addressed by Dr. Rahul Jain sir, Assistant Professor, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhilai. Sir has delivered the concept on the topic artificial neural network for data generation automation through natural-based techniques. Sir has explained what is the need for artificial neural network and what is the mechanism related to it, and how to solve it with the MATLAB. He has explained. Then the last section on the fourth day was taken by Dr. Ram Kumar sir, Professor, Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode, on the topic evaluation of quality of heuristic solutions. Sir has nicely demonstrated with help of the Excel sheet how to evaluate the solution obtained from the heuristic solutions, up to what extent it is reaching the optimal solution we can compare. That is demonstrated by Dr. Ram Kumar sir. On the last day, that is today, Friday, 16th October, the first section was addressed by Dr. K. Ravindranath sir, Professor Sri Venkatesh University College of Engineering, Tirupati, on the topic analytical methods and location and layout models. In this section, sir has explained the points which are to be considered to select the layout location and to select the layout models and to design the layout models, how analytical methods will be useful. And the sir has explained the advanced topics like craft and all depth for the design of the layout. The last section, that is the second section today, was taken by Dr. B. Rangacharya sir, Professor, Indian Institute of Management, Visakhapatnam, on the topic mathematical modeling related to operation research. Sir has explained different mathematical models and different case studies, how to convert them in the form of the mathematical model to arrive the solutions. Model building importance he has stresses. Depends upon the different cases, he has explained how to develop the mathematical models and how to obtain the solutions. And enlightens us the participants to know how to develop a mathematical model for the different sides of the case studies. Now, for this validity section, Dr. Chandrasekhar Verma sir is our chief guest. I would like to spend a couple of minutes to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Chandrasekhar Verma sir. Dr. Chandrasekhar Verma sir completed his schooling from the Duke Institute, Chhattisgarh. Bachelor degree in Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Bilaspur. Master's degree in Production and Industrial Engineering from Indian College of Engineering. And doctoral degree PhD from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, on the topic study of mechanical properties of laminated bamboo composites. And the scholar has carried out research project worth of ₹1.5 crores. And Sir has published many recent publications in international journals with a high impact factor. They are level numbers, and he has attended many international conferences and symposiums. Nearly 10 symposiums and conferences Sir has attended. And Sir has joined as maintenance engineer. He worked for a short span of 2.5 years in the Duke Institute. Then he served as lecturer for 2.5 years in Delhi College of Engineering, and he served as assistant professor in NSIT under the government of Delhi for a unit of 7.5 years. Now, Sir is serving as assistant director in AICT regional office, Bhopal, as assistant director. Since 68 was Sir is serving. Now, I am inviting Dr. Chandrasekhar Verma sir to deliver his valedictory address. Please, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऑडिबल, मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है सर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
क्लियर है सर,
Okay,
क्लियर
thank
है, वेरी क्लियर.
Clear है ना?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Audible.
Okay. So good afternoon to one and all. Today's guest of honor and chairman, Sri Rajiv Nayar sir, respected subject experts, dear faculty members, students, and coordinating committee. I am very happy to be part of here in this valedictory function under Atal Academy, and topic of this Atal workshop is optimization technique in operation management. So
Sir, you are not audible.
No, sir, it's not audible, sir. Your voice is not audible.
Electrical, electronics, and we should start to give approval in emerging areas. Emerging areas means like today's optimization technique, solar energy, electrical vehicle, artificial intelligence, data science, augmented reality and virtual reality, robotics, blockchain. These are the emerging areas. So from the last 1 year, we are giving approval in this particular branch. So suppose we are giving in a particular this emerging area branch, but we have not a pool of faculty member particularly for these courses. So AICT has planned to give a training to the faculty member so that we can create a emerging area digital talent, because this is a today's demand. Industry 4.0 demand is they demand in that area which is related to artificial intelligence, blockchain, and solar energy. This is the industry demand. So AICT has created for this purpose three Atal Academy. Atal means AICT training and learning. So through this Atal Academy, AICT has planned to train around 5 lakh faculty member. And last year we have trained around 10,000 faculty member, and this year target is to train 1 lakh faculty member through 562 workshop. And I have to conduct under CRO region around 62 workshop we have to conduct. So in these emerging areas, there are number of workshops is currently going on. Some workshops are completed, and some workshops are about to start. So every faculty member, I would like to request to you all kindly motivate other faculty member to register in our Atal Academy workshop, which will start in coming session, and their detail is given in our AICT website. So once again, I would like to say Atal. Atal means, you know what is the meaning of Atal. So we have to become a Atal. Atal for implementing, Atal for imparting emerging areas education to our students, because students are our main stakeholder, our final stakeholder. In spite of this, I would like to say all the faculty member kindly motivate your students, current student as well as other faculty, other outgoing student to register in internship portal. I have sent several mails regarding internship. So kindly say your student, because there are a lot of opportunity available in through internship facilities portal. And in spite of this, I would like to say something to the faculty member. Don't assume that I am giving order, but I am requesting you, all the faculty members. This is particularly for faculty member. Kindly motivate the students. Motivate means particularly motivate for learning by observation. As you know that nature is a itself a university, and from this we can get a lot of knowledge. Like our previous scientist Newton discovered law of gravitation in the garden. Archimedes discovered law of floating floats in the bathroom. James Watt discovered theory of try to ignite the student to innovate everything by observation. Now again, I would like to say faculty member kindly motivate, because there I want to say about motivation. If we motivate the student, because motivation is, if teacher tells something, so this is not a new. But if explains, we can say this is a good teacher, and if they can demonstrate, we can say excellent teacher. But that teacher who can motivate, they are outstanding teacher. So I am today I would like to have some motivation. So second motivation, kindly motivate for getting skills in their interest, that how to finish this work in accuracy. Because through motivation, suppose you know, if you give a food grains, you are giving meals. If you teach how to cultivate food grains, you are giving meals throughout life. Similarly, अगर कोई स्टूडेंट या कोई स्टूडेंट है, जो कोई भी XYZ जो भी है, अगर उसको किसी पेड़ पे चढ़ने के लिए हेल्प करते हो और उसको बार बार ही हेल्प करते रहते हो, वो चढ़ जाता है, उससे बेटर अगर आप उसको विदाउट हेल्प हाउ टू क्लाइंब द ट्रीज सिखा दिया जाए, तो सारी जिंदगी भूलेगा नहीं. तो हमें हाउ टू फिनिश द वर्क वे उसके बारे में हमें मोटिवेट करना पड़ेगा. नाउ मोटिवेट फॉर लर्निंग बाय प्रैक्टिकल वर्क. प्रैक्टिकल वर्क मीन्स जो भी हमारा वर्क है उसको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करके हमें दिखाना पड़ेगा. मोटिवेट ऑनलाइन स्किल कोर्स. हमारा बहुत सारे AICTE का ऑनलाइन स्किल कोर्स है, जैसे नीट है, इंटर्नशिप है, स्वयं है. इसके लिए प्लीज अपने स्टूडेंट को मोटिवेट कीजिए. स्वयं के थ्रू आप भी स्वयं के थ्रू आप भी अपना स्किल इनहेंस कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे कोर्स हैं जिससे आप बेनिफिट हो सकते हैं. नाउ अगेन काइंडली मोटिवेट दी स्टूडेंट टू इम्ब्रेस द चेंज. कोई भी चेंज हो रहा है, जैसे अभी AICTE है, आने वाले दिनों में न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आएगा, तो काइंडली मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट टू चेंज, टू इम्ब्रेस द चेंज रादर देन स्ट्रगल द चेंज. स्ट्रगल करने के बजाय इम्ब्रेस करना सिखाइए. मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट टू सेलिब्रेट द डिफरेंसेस और वीकनेस. जो उसके अंदर वीकनेस है या डिफरेंसेस है, उसको भी मोटिवेट करना सिखाइए. और जितने भी वीकनेस है उसको दूर करके उसको ज्यादा स्किल्ड हो सके, इस पर भी मोटिवेट करने की जरूरत है. एंड लास्ट, मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट टू बिकम हैप्पी एंड इन ऑल सिचुएशन. एंड क्रिएट हैबिट टू बी हैप्पी, मतलब हमेशा खुश रहने की आदत डालिए। अगर इन सारे पॉइंटों पे आप स्टूडेंट को मोटिवेट कर पाएंगे तो आई होप आने वाले दिनों में जो आज परिस्थिति हमारी लेस एडमिशन का स्थिति आ गई है, वो ग्रास इनरोलमेंट रेशियो हमारा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हमारा ग्रास इनरोलमेंट रेशियो एट प्रेजेंट 24% है। और बाकी जगह की तुलना किया जाए तो अभी हमारे तमिलनाडु में 43% है और छत्तीसगढ़ में 24.3% है। तो हमें 43% हमारे इंडिया के ही कंपेयर में अगर तमिलनाडु के में लाना होगा तो हमें काफी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा। इवन इतने कम अमाउंट में इंजीनियरिंग और डिप्लोमा कॉलेज है, अराउंड एट प्रेजेंट 48 अप्रूव्ड है, उसमें भी 50% नहीं भर रहे हैं। तो अगर मान लीजिए मैं इसको इंक्रीज करना चाहूँ, तमिलनाडु के बराबर ही ग्रास इनरोलमेंट रेशियो मतलब 18 साल से 23 साल के जो बच्चे हैं वो हायर एजुकेशन में जा पा रहे हैं कि नहीं। तो मैं अगर उसको तमिलनाडु के बराबर ही करना चाहूँ तो मुझे कम से कम AIC यहाँ पे हमारे कॉलेज गवर्नमेंट को कम से कम 50% कॉलेज इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा। तो कॉलेज तभी इंक्रीज होगा जब हम बच्चों को एम्प्लॉयबल या इंटरप्रीनियर क्वालिटी या बिजनेस में हम लगा पाएंगे, उनको अपना फ्यूचर अच्छा दिख पाएगा, तभी हमारा कोर्स में आएंगे। और अगर कोर्स में आएंगे तभी ग्रास इनरोलमेंट रेशियो बढ़ पाएगा। तो वंस अगेन आप इतने 4-5 दिन तक आप सभी फैकल्टी मेंबर स्टूडेंट्स ने इस प्रोग्राम में अच्छे से भाग लिए और हमारे AICTE का जो सपना है, जो इमर्जिंग एरिया में हमारे फैकल्टी ट्रेन हो सके, उसके लिए आप लोगों ने भाग लिया। और मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप जितने भी फैकल्टी मेंबर है वो स्टूडेंट को अल्टीमेटली स्टूडेंट इज आवर मेन स्टेक होल्डर, they are giving money and we have to impart education in lieu of money. This is our social responsibility as well as discipline also. So and I would like to request to everybody for successful life, and I hope everybody will get benefit from this workshop. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you to all.
Now, participants, please express your feedback.
Very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Dr. Jitendra Kumar Sahu. I am from Odisha, Barampur, from Sanjay Memorial Institute of Technology. So this MDB program is really quite. It creates a quite a lot of improvement and education based, and it is moreover practical based also. So it is both benefited to me and to improve moreover in my research work also. And this new method, some methods are there which I can also elaborate to my students also. So thank you for this organizer for their sequence and their type of the content they made. It is quite interesting throughout this 5 day, and it is quite the program is not so hectic, so it is having some proper time and we have some gap also. So I enjoyed this program. Thank you one and all, and thank you for this organizing such a nice program. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. This is faculty of IEM from Harvey College of Engineering. My name is Vivekananda Skogi. Even though I was in industrial engineering management and I knew all these techniques before, but throughout the 3 sessions, the concepts were very well explained and with all the examples. One thing I wanted to go with respect to that, at the end of each day, all the experts would have given one example and one problem for all those, so that we can do it on that day only. Thank you for all the organizers doing well and explain and then going through all these things. Thank you one and all.
Good evening, all. Myself, Rupesh Kumar Sinha, lecturer, NMDC, DAV Polytechnic, Dantewada. Program was wonderful. All dignitaries explained all points with best knowledge. Thank you, Nair sir, Sarma sir, and Sridhar sir. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir. Myself, Atish Goswami, and we had really learnt a lot through this session of almost, which has last for almost 5 days, and really we have almost changed our paradigms about the optimization techniques and different type of optimization techniques we have gone through. Other than that, supply chain management and really deep knowledge of all these techniques will serve better for our future as well. And I will definitely practice these things in future as well, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Other participants, your feedbacks are very important for the organizers. Sir, your voice is not coming clearly, sir. Sridhar sir? Hello?
Many participants they're sending the messages to the chat box. Instead of that one, please share your views, sir, through voice. Please speak.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Sir, yes, sir.
Thank you to all organizers for such a wonderful learning experience. Just as one of my co-participants said, sir, I also agree with him that we should have some live solving type of some activity that would also keep engaging. Some of the events were really very engaging, but most of them were because we were not involved into that, or we are getting distracted also. Since in this online platform we need more involvement so that our attention is grabbed into this thing. And apart from that, it was a great learning experience, and everything was really very well organized. And I'll simply had a great time in these last 5 days. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement. Thank you very much. We are waiting for other participants to kindly express your feedback or your views regarding the 5 days FDP.
Sir, can I have one more question? Sir, we
Yeah.
had given this exam. What will be the score and what time we will getting the score and details?
By today evening, we are trying to upload the marks what you have scored in the test in the Atal portal, and you can see from there, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think no other participant is willing to express his or her feedback for the 5 days FDP. So this is the time to propose a vote of thanks for this closing ceremony. It's really an honor and privilege for me to propose a vote of thanks in the closing ceremony of the 5 days faculty development program. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. C.S. Verma, sir, chief guest of the session, for sparing his valuable time and gracing the session. We are thankful to Atal Academy for giving us permission to organize this FDP. It is indeed a very good platform provided to us where we can continue our learnings, even sitting at our office or our home. It was such a wonderful experience to connect the participants and the experts across the India in this pandemic condition also. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all the expert speakers who shared their knowledge and expertise with all the participants. I hope that their sessions will help the participants in extending their research work in the area of optimization or in the area of operations management. My sincere thanks to all the enthusiastic participants also from all over India who showed their zeal to participate in this program and who have given their time to be present in almost all the sessions. I would like to convey my gratitude to our chairman, Shri Ajay Prakash Verma, sir, for his time-to-time guidance, support, and encouragement. I am really very thankful to Dr. K. Shira sir, the convener of the program, also for his full-time support and suggestion. Without him, I think it would have been difficult for me to organize such faculty development program. Okay, and also I'm thankful to Shri Rajiv Nair sir for his useful meditation session. He has been enlightening the people across the India with his expertise in yoga and meditation. We wish the participants may have learned the art of being healthy mentally and physically from you, sir, and implement it in their daily life also. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my colleagues who have supported us in the successful conduction of this faculty development program. Now I would like to ask our chief guest to permit us to declare the closing of the session and this 5 days faculty development program, sir. Sir. I think Verma sir is present. Hello. Verma sir, are you there, sir?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. It shows that sir is there, but I think some communication gap is there.
Okay, so Raju sir, could you do please one thing? Take permission from you so that we can close the session, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm just connecting through one month.
Okay. So let's wait for a while because his permission is required to declare this session closed.
Yes, sir. From whom you want permission, sir?
Our chief guest of the today's session, sir, Dr. C.S. Verma,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. I am here. So
Okay.
before closing this,
Yeah. Hello. I think the voice is not clear, sir. Hello. Rajesh, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think sir is saying something, but it is not audible.
Yes. I think some problem is there in sound.
Still not clear.
Sir, voice is not clear. Dr. Saab, voice is not clear, sir.
Rajesh, sir, could you please call him because his voice is not audible. He's trying to say something. I think it's not audible to us.
Okay, surely I will make a call, sir. 1 minute.
वॉइस कैसे इधर से माइक मेरा ओपन दिख रहा है, इधर भी ओपन दिख रहा है, वॉइस क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? अच्छा, नहीं लेकिन बाकी आप लोग दिख रहे हो, आप लोग की वॉइस मेरे को आ रही है, मतलब देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम ना?
सर नाउ अभी आवाज आ रही है सर आपकी। हेलो,
अभी आ रही है क्या?
हाँ जी सर, अभी आ रही है। इस समय डिस्टर्ब आ रहा था सर।
हाँ, मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ। ये इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है सर, अप एंड डाउन हो रहा होगा,
जी।
है ना? तो आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से इस वर्कशॉप को कंक्लूड किए, और बिफोर कंक्लूजन आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म, आपके पास एक अच्छा योगा टीचर मिस्टर नेयर जी हैं, वो काफी बहुत अच्छे मोटिवेटर भी हैं। तो वी एज AICTE आई एम आल्सो वेरी हैप्पी, और आप लोग भी अच्छा महसूस करते होंगे, आपके पास एक अच्छा एक धरोहर है ना? तो उनका ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेनिफिट लीजिए, और मैं भी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि लोगों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेनिफिट हो सके उनके एक्सपर्टाइज का। और दूसरी बात तो ये है कि मैं भी सेम स्टेट से बिलोंग करता हूँ, तो मैं ज्यादा सबको मैं जितना ज्यादा हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, अगर आप जितने भी फैकल्टी मेंबर हैं, अगर आपको कहीं पे कुछ कंफ्यूजन है या कोई किसी प्रकार का हेल्प की जरूरत है, तो जरूर मुझे बोलिए, मैं जितना हो सकेगा मैं हेल्प करूंगा। इसी के साथ मैं आप सबको इसको क्लोज करने की अनुमति प्रदान करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Mr. Raju Nair sir is an asset for our
Thank you very much,
institute,
sir. Thank you, sir.
Your support
Thank you so
and
much,
guidance
sir.
are always required for any such session or any such activity, sir. I think with this, we came to the end of this 5-day faculty development program. I once again express my sincere thanks to all to be a part of this validity section and the faculty development program, and wish my best wishes. Have a nice time, everyone. Stay healthy, stay safe. Namaste, pranam.
प्रणाम।
Thank you.
Sir.
Same.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir.